I'm adding a Cajun sausage that I cut up to our corn. That was a 29-ounce can of corn. You can use fresh corn if that's what you prefer. But this is gonna be a super easy and delicious one-pan dinner. Oh, let's make sure all the sausages are cut apart. Yummy. Next, I'm coming in with 1 red bell pepper that I diced. Make sure you get all of that out. You can use whatever color you prefer. Red is my favorite because it's extra sweet. I have 1 zucchini that I sliced and diced. Right in there. Give this another mix. Get that corn, the sausage, the bell pepper, and the zucchini well mixed together. I absolutely love this dinner. It's all of my favorite things in one, and there's no carbs in it, so that makes it extra delicious and healthy. Okay, I have a little bit of cilantro that I diced up that we're gonna throw in here. Now, if you don't like cilantro, just skip it, okay? We don't need to hear about it in the comments, just skip it. Now I'm coming in with some chili powder. This is gonna add some great flavor to this dish. So good, it smells amazing already. That sausage is just gonna sear up, it's gonna be great. I have some onion powder. Now you can add whatever seasonings you like. I'm just adding my favorite. The chili powder is a must though. Last seasoning is some garlic powder. Now before we give this a mix, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. There was some on here to season my pan, but we need a little bit more to help sear everything. So we're just gonna do a light drizzle. You can do butter if you prefer, but we're gonna keep this a little bit healthier today. All right, now let's get to mixing this again, get everything all seasoned and cooked. Oh, doesn't that smell amazing, babe?
Oh, it smells phenomenal. You can kind of see them toasting already.
Yeah, we can turn up that heat. We have it on medium high so that we can get a sear on our little sausages. We want that corn to be roasted, the zucchini to be toasted, all of that goodness.
Yum.
All right, let's make sure this is fully mixed. And you might want to continuously mix it, you know, in intervals, but I think we're gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes to let that really heat up. All right, this is ready. It's been about 10 minutes. And I can tell that the zucchini is fully cooked and those, you know, sausages are nicely seared. Let's go ahead and grab a bowl. And we're just gonna kind of put the amount we want.
Smells phenomenal.
Oh yeah. All right, let's give it a try. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. You are not lying. Perfectly seasoned, perfectly done. You gotta try this.